This video is part of our frequently asked questions series. Quite often when you dust or you might pack and unpack your machine or move it, maybe you'll move it a little bit for some reason to a different place. Sometimes things can get bumped or pushed. And quite often, the easiest thing to have happen is the bobbin winder motor up here. This little lever, it takes nothing to move it. And you'll turn on your machine and you'll hear this sound. Buzzing and whirring, and you'll think, oh my gosh, my motor's burning up, or whatever you think. People panic, but it's okay. It's just that your bobbin winder motor is on, and a big indication of that is your screen will show you that your bobbin winder is moving. So you just turn it off and you're back in business